All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the first day of trading in September. We are about to head into a long 3-day weekend. No trading this coming up Monday. So things are a little bit slow here heading into the end of the week, but did find two separate trades with Tesla options today. So if you want to see some options trades, this is your video for today. Hopefully you enjoy it. Let's go, let's trade. All right, so both trades on the options today were in Tesla. Unfortunately, on this first trade, I did not remember to switch over to my full screen, but I'm looking at the market and seeing it break out to a high off of the lows in the morning here. So I decided to get into some Tesla 275 calls here at 292 on the premium, just looking for a move preferably back up towards the high that it just made on that big candle that it made to the upside, seeing if it can retrace some of that big candle it then made to the downside right after it. So the market was moving up. I thought that Tesla had a good chance to bounce here, so I'm in at 292. Unfortunately, you can't see the options chain on this one, but that's where we're at so far. In at 292 here on this Tesla 275 call. Going to see if it can push up here with the market. But the market really went and Tesla didn't do much, so I decided just to put the order out there at 325 to sell it, and I got filled there at 325 on the premium. So I'm out there for a $33 gain. So nothing big, but hey, got a win to start September, to start the month. And of course, this thing did make a nice move to the upside after this, but you know, it is what it is. I will take the win on the Tesla options to start the month. So later on, this time you can see I remembered to switch over to the full screen view. We're looking at the Tesla 270 calls this time as it's making this big dip, and I'm going to go ahead and get started here. The first contract in at 360 on the premium. I'm going to look to add in as it goes down. These contracts are now much cheaper than they were now that Tesla just went through the stock split and the price is down in the 200s now instead of up towards the thousands. So the contract's way cheaper here now to trade on Tesla. We'll see if we can get a move down towards 340 now to add in another contract here. So here it comes. I get the add in there. So I now have two contracts at an average of 350. And as it continues this much push to the downside, I'm going to look to see if I can add two more contracts at 320. So looking to see if I can find a spot here to get in two more contracts at 320, get my average on the premium down a bit better, and see if we can get the fills down there. So watching the level 2 on the options side here, I see the 320s kind of holding there, kind of a low light, so it gets down to 315. I click the button. I don't get any fill initially here on those 320s, but I get one fill there on my order of two initially, and then it gives me the full fill there for the rest. So I now have four contracts at an average of 335 on the premium. And with those four contracts, I'm not looking for a huge pop back to the upside here, just looking for a pullback off of this nice move. So I put all four out at 350, seeing if I can get a fill at 350. There's the fill, and I'm all out of those contracts for a $60 gain. So it's kind of nice, these new Tesla options that are much cheaper now and maybe a little bit easier to play, where you don't have the insane volatility. So was able to get into four there and made $60 on what was a pretty stress-free trade there. So up $93 on the day, all on Tesla call options today. So a little bit different of a video, but hey, started the month green. I will take that, roll into the last day of trading for tomorrow, and then the 3-day weekend. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit like and subscribe. I'll see you later.